This is the 15th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is a harder set of reading and writing questions. Number 15 reads, which choice most logically completes the text? We want to predict our answer. And the gist of it, I underline, the sweet potato is native, meaning it comes from South America, but it's also in Polynesia. And then towards the end of the passage, Polynesian varieties diverged. They became different from South American ones over 100,000 years ago. So it must have been in both places before that 100,000 years ago, but Polynesia was only peopled by in the last 3,000 years. And took a poop, and then some sweet potatoes started growing there. Let's go to the answer choices. What we find is the best prediction, what best matches a prediction is answer choice C. Human activity likely played no role in the introduction of the sweet potato in Polynesia. It couldn't have if the varieties were different over 100,000 years ago, but there were only people in Polynesia in the last 3,000 years. To see the following video, go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist, Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set of math questions. And then the longer videos are just above these shorter videos. And have a great day.